Potential drawbacks in freelancing. You probably already know most of the positive aspects of freelancing, such as the potential to make more money and the ability to work in your underwear at home or even on the beach in Hawaii. Pretty cool, right? But there are a few drawbacks to consider, as well. Let's take a look at a few of the drawbacks that might make you reconsider freelancing. Taxes. It's something you don't think much about when you work a normal job, because your taxes get taken out of your check. And the only time you really have to worry about it is tax season, when you have to file your taxes. But when you're a freelancer, you have to worry about taxes all the time. You have to save money from every payment to cover taxes, and it really hurts when you have to write out that check to Uncle Sam. Because it all comes in one lump sum, unless you pay your taxes quarterly. Taxes for a freelancer can be pretty complicated, so if you aren't a tax professional, you'll probably want to hire one to help you, at least in the beginning. A good accountant will be able to teach you the basics of record-keeping for tax purposes, and they'll also help you when it comes to filing your taxes, so it's a great idea to get a consultation with one as soon as possible. Interruptions. Interruptions are huge productivity killers in any workplace, but if you work from home, you'll soon discover it's much worse. People think that because you work at home, you'll be free to talk to them, hang out with them, do them favors, etc., as if you didn't work at all. And if you protest, they get offended as if you don't want to talk to them at all. People who have never worked from home will never truly grasp what it's like, so there's really no easy way to help them understand that they can't just expect you to have the ability to drop whatever you're doing at any moment for them. For this reason, it's a very good idea to turn off your cell phone and go into a room with a closed door while you work. Ideally, you might even want to rent office space so you can have more privacy while you work. This may not always be possible, but if you can, office space in many areas is remarkably affordable. Instability. Finding work as a freelancer isn't guaranteed, and you may find the lack of a guaranteed paycheck is too much to deal with. Because work is so unstable, especially in the beginning, many freelancers work a full-time or part-time job to supplement their income. You can increase your chances of finding work consistently by putting yourself in as many freelance marketplaces as possible. Presenting a professional portfolio of work, and seeking references and testimonials that may help others choose you over their competition. Lack of benefits. One huge thing that is a deal breaker for a lot of potential freelancers is the lack of any benefits such as retirement and health insurance. While a lot of jobs don't offer such benefits, either, most people don't end up staying at those jobs for very long. Health insurance for the self-employed is outrageously expensive, but if your income is relatively low, you can qualify for Medicaid, or at least a reduced price on your health insurance. Retirement is a huge issue, and it's important to start saving early. Self-employed individuals should start an individual retirement account as early as possible. And contribute the maximum amount possible to be sure they have money available for retirement. Because they won't be paying money into Social Security and thus cannot collect any when they retire. Remember, there are drawbacks to everything, even traditional jobs. Freelancing may not be for everyone, but for others, it's the only thing that makes them happy. And that's all. Thank you. If you have learned something in this video, please hit the like button. We will truly appreciate it if you could share it on your social networks. And hit subscribe for more videos. Thank you for the support.